Launched in 2016, Swift has transformed their command system for 2019 with new touchscreen control panel, user-friendly design and easier to follow navigation. To activate, press the Swift roundel. The home screen lights up with the icons for pump, awning light, lighting, power, heating and settings. The DAB radio icon is part of the optional Sprite Diamond Pack and standard on all other Caravan ranges. Motorhomes have DAB radio incorporated as part of the cab system. At the top of the screen is useful information: the temperature inside and outside, the humidity, the date and time, and the level of power. To activate an icon, just touch it. The pump icon turns the water pump on or off, and similar for the awning light. Touch the other icons and a new screen opens up. The lighting icon is there for you to control brightness and will only work if the light has been switched on. To change the brightness, touch the lighting icon. Two circles appear, named Dimmer 1 and Dimmer 2, covering different lights. To change brightness, touch the off inner circle and the brightness level is shown. In this case, it's 60. You can increase or decrease the brightness using the plus and minus buttons, or moving your finger around the circle. When finished, touch the home button to return to the main screen. Touch the power icon and you see the different sources of power available: leisure, solar if fitted, and vehicle. Touch the arrow to open up the mains power screen. This shows you the AC current and allows you to set the amp level for the site you're on. Simply touch the off inner circle and adjust to the required level. On motorhomes, there is also a water icon which shows the level of fresh and waste water in the onboard tanks. You can also empty the waste tank when you are at suitable location by touching the empty waste button. Touching the heating icon opens up a set of options. Choose to override, select mode and power source. You can also see timer, temperature and water status. To adjust any of these, touch the arrow. To change the timer setting, touch the time and it will start to increase in set increments. The temperature works in a similar way, going up in increments of 1 degree. The water setting can be adjusted between off, eco and on. Touch the arrow to go back to the previous screen, or the home icon to go to the home screen. In settings, you can change the time, date and day. There is also key information like the IMEI number.